Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv. Now, I always tell you that I feel like I am the king of weeknight cooking. One-pan meals are like my go-to. And today, with my shrimp and chicken Szechuan stir fry, you're gonna see that come to life. It is so easy and you're going to enjoy it. Let me show you how we make it happen, all right? What I'm gonna do is put on some gloves, and with kitchen shears, I'm just gonna cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Each chicken tender, you can probably get a good 4 bite-sized pieces out of. All right, now I'm using chicken tenders because they're a little bit tender. You cook them up, they'll stay nice and juicy, but you can certainly use regular chicken breast, or if you wanted to use pork, you can use that as well. I've got a skillet getting nice and hot here. I'm gonna add in a little bit of vegetable oil right to the skillet. All right, and then we will add in our chicken, unseasoned, and let it cook up. All right, so while the chicken's cooking, let's work on the ingredients for the sauce. Very simple to do, right? So the first thing I've got some ponzu, which is just like a citrus flavored soy sauce. So I'll add that as the base. All right, to that, I'm also gonna add in some dark soy sauce. All right, let's add in a little bit of sesame oil. I've got a little bit of chili garlic paste for a little spice, a little flavor. All right, now got some pastes that I love to use. So the first is going to be garlic paste. That's gonna go right in here. All right, right alongside garlic paste, I've got some lemongrass paste, right? And then right alongside that, I've got some cilantro paste. The last ingredients are pretty simple, is ginger. So I'm gonna mince up, a teaspoon or so of ginger. All right, and so in go the ginger. All right, and then we'll add in a little bit of brown sugar to help sweeten the whole thing up. All right, we'll put a little bit of chicken stock just to thin everything out. All right, and then we'll give this a stir before we add in the cornstarch. All right, so I've got just a little bit of cornstarch that I'll add in and mix well to combine. And then we'll check on our chicken and get it all stirred and ready to go. All right, so now I can take the chicken that's cooked out of the pan to this same skillet. I'm just gonna go ahead and add in the vegetables. So I've got some thinly sliced red onion along with some peppers. And we'll give that a stir. Let those cook up. We'll add a little bit more oil. And we'll let these cook for just a few moments. All right, I'm also gonna add in just some frozen broccoli. We'll give that a stir. And then in go that cooked chicken. I've got some shrimp that I'm gonna throw in here as well. While the shrimp and the chicken finish cooking through, I've got some Chinese noodles. Put it right into that boiling water because we'll serve the noodles. Now to finish the stir fry, all I wanna do now is just take and add that lovely sauce that we made right into here. All of everything there. All right, so I just want to chop up some scallions just to put on top. All I want to do is top it with a few sesame seeds. All right, and I've got some chopped fresh scallion that's gonna go on top of here as well. All right, so I'm just gonna grab some of these noodles just to make a plate for myself, and we'll put the noodles on the bottom. Look at that. And then I'll grab some of the stir fry and put that right on top. A little sprinkle of scallion, and just for some fun, a little bit more sesame seed. All right, so I'm just gonna go in for a taste because that's what I do. Oh man, it's super simple, right? Like you could make this faster than you could do takeout. Oh, that's good. That's really good. I got a little heat from the chili garlic paste, like the onion, the pepper, the shrimp, the chicken. You gotta give it a try. Recipes like this, you know where they're gonna be. On my website, DariusCooks.tv. 2 things I wanna tell you as I always do. Food is my life. Life, it's my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you happy cooking. From my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.